Hi guys, so I'm about to leave for class. Today is the 12th. Today's vlog hasn't even gone up yet because last night I was so tired. I was literally falling asleep at my computer while I was making my reviews, one of my review sheets for my finals, and I just decided to go to bed instead of trying to force myself to stay awake. But I have to go to class right now. I have one class today, just my anatomy lecture. She said that she was going to let us out early today because we pretty much have finished with all the information. We're just going over things sort of for the final. She doesn't like go over it like in depth. She just kind of gives us example questions that we might see. But obviously I'm going to show you today's outfit for class. I just had like a little coughing attack there. This is my outfit for today. I'm pretty sure I've showed this to you guys. It's just my LL Bean sweater that I got. I'm pretty sure I hauled this in that winter clothing haul, and I wore it. I'm pretty sure I also wore it coming back from Thanksgiving break. Just another Amazon Basics tee. These are my Vera Wang leggings from Kohl's. I keep wanting to say Vera Bradley, but Vera Wang. Speaking of Vera Bradley, there's my school backpack from Vera Bradley. These boots are like one of my all-time favorite and treasured boots. These are from Frye and they're so great. I love them so much. My jacket is from J. Crew. It's pretty old. They release a version of this every single year, so I will link this year's current version down below. The sunglasses that I'm wearing today, these are from Ray-Ban. I've had these for a while, like a couple years, but they're one of my favorites. I like the shape of them. And that's it, you guys. That's all I'm wearing. I'm also not wearing any makeup today because my skin feels kind of dry, so I just wanted to moisturize it and let it breathe a little bit. So there's my outfit for today, and now we are going to head to class. Okay, so it's actually 3 o'clock. My class was at 2 and it went until about 2:20. She let us out so early today because it was technically the last official lecture of the semester, and not a lot of people came to class, so she gave us extra credit for that. And then at like 2:15 she ended lecture and asked if anyone had questions and about the final, and no one really raised their hand, just because I mean what I've been told by other people in my class, my other classmates, is that we've been focusing so much on the test that we have due on Sunday that no one's really been studying yet for the final, I think. I decided, since class ended so early, that I'm gonna come to Target because I don't want to go back to my apartment yet, just because I was there all morning and I would like to not be stuck in my apartment just studying, even though obviously I should study. But yeah, I just wanted to not be there all day, and I wanted to be able to like walk around and stuff, so what better place to do it than Target? Staying cool. So as you guys can see, I'm back at home. I changed into a different outfit. My camera's about to die, but see if we can make it. I wanted to just share what I got at Target. The first thing that I got is a bottle cleaner plus a cleaner for your straws, because that's what I really needed. And I couldn't find one just for the straws, so I just got one for both. I got some vitamin C gummies because I really needed these. I ran out. And then I got, this just sounded really good to me and I just feel like having soup today, chicken tortilla soup from the Target brand Good and Gather. You just have to microwave this, so I'm gonna have that for dinner tonight. This is like one of the things I really went for. I got 2 because they were on sale for 2 for $5, I think. Yeah, 2 for $5. It's the Synergy Organic Kombucha. I got them in 2 flavors I have never tried before, but it's okay. I got it in Cosmic Cranberry. I like cranberry juice, so I figured it can't be that bad. And then this one is Trilogy which it doesn't say what flavors are in here, but I was looking at the ingredients that it has black tea, green tea, kiwi juice, raspberry juice, lemon juice, and fresh pressed ginger juice. I like all of those things, so I figured it couldn't be that bad. I technically went there looking for not this specific one. I went looking for a different one from the women's section, but I couldn't find it. I got a sweatpants, but I also got the matching sweatshirt. So this is actually from the brand Goodfellow, which is from the men's section, but I didn't like the ones in the Wild Fable section, and these just felt softer. So I just got a pair of black sweatpants. Literally, they're just sweatpants. But like I said, I also got the matching sweatshirt. I'm gonna wash these tonight so that I can wear them. And then you guys, that's it. That's all I got from Target. But I spent a whole hour in there only getting those things because I walked up and down so many aisles just to walk up and down the aisle. I'm gonna have this for dinner and study for the rest of the night. But before I do that, I really need to edit and upload the Vlogmas video for today that I filmed yesterday that I still haven't done. So we have to do that right now. So my camera battery died, so I've been waiting for it to charge since I don't have a backup or anything. And now I was gonna study for psychology, and I think I might do that after this, but I'm currently studying for my anatomy test. It's an online test that's due on Sunday night, but I'm gonna try to take it on Saturday morning. That way I can study tonight, I can study all day tomorrow for anatomy, and then just take it Saturday. Technically, since it's online, it's open book, but I don't want to have to rely too much on that. Do you know what I mean? I would rather know the information since it will also be on my final. So I would like to study right now and Sunday. But I am also eating dinner. I'm having that soup from Target, and it's actually pretty good. A little spicy, but I can't handle spice that much, so you might not find it as spicy as I do. Oh man, wait, hold on. My lips are kind of dry. I was going to check if my filters for my humidifier had come in yet, because it says here, oh, it's running late. That's what it is. Oh my gosh, what the heck? So I didn't buy any filters today at Target because I did order it from Amazon, just that I don't have Amazon Prime. Also, it's not a Prime product, I forgot. So I couldn't have gotten it anyway. It's supposed to be delivered by the 12th. 12th was is today. And now it says it's gonna come between the 13th and the 18th. Oh my gosh. Okay, maybe I'll go to Bed Bath & Beyond tomorrow and see if I can get it then. All right, let's move on to something else. So the first thing I wanted to open is something that I got from Etsy. These are these merino wool coasters that I found, and I got them to replace this beautiful thing. I even got it in the same shape because they offered it, and I just really like this shape. But anyway, this is from Anthropologie. I'm still gonna keep it. I absolutely love it. However, condensation just pools and gathers on this because it's just this marble coaster, so it's not like it's gonna soak it up, and that can be very annoying. And so I wanted something that was like this. This is a coaster actually from Hawaii that I got, that my mom and I each purchased a set while we were in Hawaii for my birthday in May. And I really love that one, but I just couldn't find anything like it. And then I saw these on Etsy. I can't even remember what I looked up on Etsy. I think I looked up something like waterproof coasters or something, and I found this. It is it's made in Minnesota. The company that does it, they call themselves Dundry Hill, I'm assuming. This came so fast. I think I only ordered this 2 or 3 days ago and it's already here. You can get it as, like, you can pick your colors even. You don't have to get all the same colors, and I thought maybe that might take a little bit longer, but it was pretty fast. So I got a set of 4. I got one in navy. There, you can see it better if I hold it in the light. So this is the navy one. I got one in this dark green, and then a gray one, and I think this one is Heather Ash or something. I don't really remember, but these are so nice. They feel really well made. I'm really excited about this. I just chose to get 4 different ones because why not? I don't know which one I'm gonna keep here, but yeah. The only thing I will say is that it is shedding everywhere, like, whoop. But you can, like, it says here you can just use a piece of sticky tape and it will, like, just take up all the debris. So I'm gonna try that right now. The other thing I'm gonna show you guys is from Williams-Sonoma. I actually wanted to buy this while I was home for Thanksgiving, but they only had one of them, which didn't really make sense to me because I would figure that most people would want to buy this in a set of 2. And if you're wondering what they are, it's a pair of oven mitts. I really like the Williams-Sonoma ones. They just hold up really well and they don't get as hot. Like, you can't feel your hands burning through them as like you can with some other brands. Looking at you all clad. I just really like these. Also, I got them while they were on sale on Black Friday, like that weekend. I got them in this green color, mainly because I just got the matching, or I didn't just get it, I got it a few months ago. I got the matching green, whatchamacallit, apron, and I just wanted to have the matching one, the matching oven mitts, and now here we are. I'm going to show you one of the things that is in this next package. The other thing I'll show you guys tomorrow when I do my other unboxing. Where is it? Okay. So, I have never ordered from Box Lunch before, but I never even heard of it until I started working at Disney, and so many people had things from Box Lunch. And then I moved here to New York, and there's actually a Box Lunch store at the mall closest to me, and they were having their, I think I got this on Cyber Monday, maybe. I think that's when I got it. But I saw this card case and I just thought it was so cute. And I don't know, I really wanted it. I don't typically get things like this, but oh my gosh, you guys, I love it so much. It's this little card case that has some of the Disney princesses on it. So it has Mulan, Ariel, Cinderella, Jasmine, Snow White. I do wish that they had Princess Aurora on here, or Briar Rose, but okay, it's fine. So that's it for today. I'm actually gonna go take a quick shower and then come back and start studying and edit this vlog and do all these things. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. Bye!